Molweni, igama lami ndinguSinazo Phalaza. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you see this video and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share, like, and hit the notification button so that you can see my videos I supply with my village lifestyle vlogs. So today with me, I am going to share with you this. Oh, yes, that's my Shein try on haul. Let's go and see what I got in my cart. I got this. This is the only thing that I wanted to buy from my cart. I promise you guys, I got this cream beige satin suit from Shein, and it is in color 1XL. Yes, this is how it looks. It looks so gorgeous. I like it. It fits me perfectly fine. Like, it fit me perfectly fine. I will just remove the bra when I'm wearing it. Otherwise, yeah, this is how it looks. Item number 1. And this is item number 2. This is a satin or silk top too. The Edeglen. It looks good, looks gorgeous, and this is how it looks at the back. I like it. I cannot wait for the summer because I am ready. Brown, and this is color XL. Yes, this is just XL. I also got this white t-shirt for 40 rands. And I like it. I like it as much as the quality is giving Shein. I like it. I thought at least it was going to give Jet Mr. Price. I like it. It's really nice, ne? Yes. Appa, I thought I was going to get Umdla Nomzansi. I don't know how I chose. I don't know, but I like it. But this is similar to what I sell. So if I'll buy myself I'm disappointed. But guess since it's navy, I'm gonna look for Umzansi navy, not separate, because I was doing that so that when I'm going to work and it's cold, I wear something comfortable. It's plain like this. In fact, I ended up was Umzansi. Why? Because being at me, but I will look something at Mr. Price. I also got this black t-shirt with these 2 caps. Ne? Wednesday, when I'm going to work, I'm gonna rock my cap. Wednesdays are sport days. What do I like about this cap is what they have written here. No time for romance. This one cap. It looks so big, but I'm gonna set it even right. After I got to skip and equality, and it's exactly the quality that was thinking of. But a part of me feels like get sense at least level 2XL because 1XL. And you don't have real 1XL with me. And so then I had 1XL because of that. Or else, if I'm not wearing my black cap, I'm gonna wear this one. For brown, I also got this in case I want to make it formal. I'm not sure it'll be about formal. Nah. But ndinayo le outfit apha entlokweni yam, and I wish I can show you when I do it. It's this and this. This is the tie. Then I'll be wearing my white shirt. The brown white shirt is a puma. Yeah, this is the black and white cap, and it's nice. One thing about me, I saw the leave that because a night picture is a one. No? Okay, let me show you other items. I also got me this popular collar Makoti shirt. Why do I call that? Because I've seen it like Kosmanye, clear group yam. White and orange or beige, I'm not sure. But I was in love with this one. Why? because I'm like at work. I'm gonna rock this with my formal pant, and then I'll also be able to rock this with my gentleman. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at my 31st coat. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see? Jonga. Can you see? It's cute and it's nice. So that is why I'm saying this is a popular shit for, oh my god. If you're a Mekoti, get yourself this. I don't know how much was it, but I loved it. I also got myself this top. I'm not sure about the quality, but the idea was good. But in Tate size, I don't want to lie. I think then I tell 1XL, and I feel like if it was 2XL, it was really going to be good. I'm going to wear a perfect bra here, or a perfect swim bodysuit me, and then I'm gonna be able to go out with my girls, in black. So nice. I don't know what kwenzeka ntoni apha ne. I don't know kwenzeka ntoni apha kweli qhosha. Ndiyazi noba liyakhululwa. I don't know. Okay. Ndingayigqathuli. Ingathi likhulule. Masileke kanje bazalwana. But this one, it will require some clean eating, some don't. But one time, I'm gonna come and show you, because all I'm going to is large. And you'll be watching. I like the idea. I like it. Just in a black pant or in a black short, and then it's just me with my scobo. Yeah, I like it so much, but it needs a perfect bra, perfect bodysuit, and something for my belly. I'm good to go. So this is another second top that is going to require me to go back to teenage. I'm saying so I'll cook what I want, and I'll be able to wear this. It's so beautiful. The quality is good, but I think benilindele any quality. I'm not sure. Yeah. And that is all kwizinto ezinxitywayo ne iqhiya yam le yenza itop, because besendiyikhulule laa top, thinking that there's something else. No, I'm done. That's all the items that I got. I think my cut was 1,000 rand. I think this is what I got. I got this like this. I also saw it and I loved it. I fell in love with it. Guys, you are the true influencers, because you have influenced me. Now today I'm the girl who's gonna have my things put in together here. And when I'm going to an event, I'll be like this. Hi, hello. Oh, and then when everyone is laughing, I'm like, oh. I love this beautiful clutch bag, and I feel like inkulu kakhulu. I didn't expect it to be this big. So it means you can put your phone, and you can put your lipstick, something, lip gloss, headsets, your power bank even, and then this is how it looks. That is how it looks. That's one thing that I got that is portable bag, yeah. And then yabona German guys, I am planning to learn to do makeup, so I couldn't wait to do something that is going to take me close to what I want. And this brush, and this thing, but I bought this for my glasses. I mean, for my brushes. I bought this. Oh no. Turn to mama. I'm gonna put my makeup brushes here. If when, I don't know. Like, don't come for me if I don't learn makeup until the end of this year. But eventually, I'm a girl that is building a signature with itchy scalp, and the best thing that I can do is to have lashes and some makeup on. Big earrings. Wow, achu una big earrings now. Big earrings, please, sissy. And then I also got myself these two shades. These two shades. Let's see. Isama small. Isama. Isama. Ongena isama board yiba ne sunglasses. Yiba. Glasses, man, get this back and this doesn't pass on me, sir, because this is magic. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. One thing about me, like when it comes to beauty, I may not be good in doing lashes, I may not be good in doing anything, but if it comes to earrings, choosing earrings and choosing sunglasses, I'm a 10 out of 10. I'm a 10 out of 10. Look, who's this? I love them. Out of 10, I want you guys, if you're watching this video, to rate these glasses. Oh, what's this? I'm fine. Nakakhawulezisa sibe ne-vacation soon. Because what do you mean bazohlala nezinto ekhabathini? What open? Lapha must make a plan. The second ones, these were inspired by my friend Nati. Oh yes, she likes shades too. I know that. She bought hers from Tim, and we bought mine from Shein. And this is how they look. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, if you're struggling with choosing sunglasses, I man, the corner. 1, 2, 3. Samaweli Tata. These are the glasses that I chose because I saw them to my friend Nipsey, and I loved them, and this is what I did. I bought them for me, and this is different, fucking different, and it's nice and I like it. Last but not least, oh no, I think these ones takes the cup, ne? This one takes the cup. And I bought myself a wet bag, a wet girly that is working so hard, that is going back to work soon. Oh, deserves a cute tote bag, a cute working bag, whatever you call it. I call it a tote bag. I call it a working bag. If you see this video and you watch it up to this far, I will appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in into my channel. Kamalami is Nella Palaza, and I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Their friends to tell their friends, their friends to tell their cousins, cousins to tell their moms and the cousins that Usnazo is trying to grow into content creation. I want to grow in this thing, and I'm willing to do anything so that my channel grows, because I have dreams. You know, ngifuna uhola guys. If ngizohola manini angazi, but this is the cute bag that I got from me to you.